then you're gonna go on to youtube.com, where you're gonna be able to find different videos and you can earn free PayPal money from just by watching videos. And I want you to click on any of the videos, and once you open the video just like this, I want you to make sure that you watch at least a minimum of 30 seconds of the video so that you can earn $5 for every YouTube video that you're gonna be able to watch. All of these are real payment proofs from people all over the world for all the videos they've watched. Here's how much they've already earned for completely free. If you just watch one video, you're gonna earn $5. If you watch 10 videos, you're gonna earn $50. And when you watch 30 videos, you're gonna earn $150. And the best thing about this is you can do this as many times as you want and as many times as you can and keep making money on any device that you already have. It's 100% free. It's absolutely amazing. So if you guys know how exactly we're gonna do this, then make sure that you open up What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. First off, you're going to click on sign in on the button on top right corner, and it's going to take you to this page. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account already, you're going to create your account just by doing that. Click on the create account and choosing for myself, and on this page you can literally create a free Google account and sign up on YouTube. And once you log into your YouTube account, one thing you are going to notice is that on the left side is you can see the best of the YouTube from there. YouTube is going to show you the best performing videos from each one of these sections, such as music, sports, gaming, movies, news, and so on. And I want you to click on the gaming from there, and it is going to take you to this page under the gaming section. There are literally millions of people watching these gaming videos on YouTube, and they don't even know how they could be making a lot of free money. But today I'm going to show you a secret strategy which nobody's talking about yet that can make you free PayPal money in just minutes. And that's exactly how all these guys are making $5 over and over again for every video that they're able to watch. Now, this is 100% free and legit way to make money online. YouTube is available in every single country in the world, and you can watch it from anywhere around the world as well to earn free PayPal money. And right now I'm going to give you the first bonus tip, and I want you to focus on this category of video, Minecraft, which is one of the most popular games that is trending right now. When you click on Minecraft, it's going to take you to this page where you're going to find a lot of videos about Minecraft gameplays, and one of these live streaming videos is running right now. So the second step, all you need to do is click on any of these live videos. So if you click on this video, it's gonna take you to the next page where they're running a live stream. And as you can see, a lot of people are watching this video, and there are a lot of people and demands to watch these videos, and so are the opportunities to make free PayPal money in 2022 using these videos. Now, you have to watch until the very end, because I do have a bonus tip at the very end that's gonna help you make even 10 times more money than others. And in a minute, I'm going to show you how you're going to make a lot of free money using this with this kind of YouTube video. And the best part is you can do this over and over again for a lot of different YouTube videos on this category to turn these YouTube videos into actual money. So we have to go on to the second website, which is going to help us earn free PayPal money. And as you can see, people are earning $5 by watching videos again and again using this strategy. And on this website, you have the opportunity to shorten the URL links and earn free PayPal money with them. And don't worry, I'm going to make it super easy for you to understand, because it is much easier than you think. And there are only a few people talking about the strategy right now, and you can make a lot of free PayPal money easily. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to watch this video all the way till the end, and the name of the website is 7r6.com. So the concept here is super easy. You just need to sign up for a free account on 7r6.com, and from there you have to shorten different URL links of different YouTube videos. I'm going to show you how you're going to do that exactly, okay, in just a minute, and you're going to be able to make free PayPal money for every single video. So if you haven't caught on yet, it's 7r6, and this is the website that we're going to be utilizing. This is the website that's actually going to make you realize that you could be getting even more. So we have to just do this properly. Now, If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check out our description box down below. We have a pleasant surprise over there that you don't want to miss, so make sure you check that out. Also, I want you guys to first let me know in the comments down below if you have any video content ideas for us in case there are videos that you want to see in particular. Let us also know what devices you use. Are you an Android user or an iOS user? And while you're at it, comment where you're from because I enjoy reading your comments and you know I'll try to respond to all of them. So let's head back. Now, I'm going to show you one example of exactly how it works. If you're watching these YouTube videos under this video, you can find the share button right here. You're going to click on the share button and you're going to be able to find the YouTube URL link of this particular gaming live stream. And from here, you're going to click on the copy button. It's going to copy the link of the video, and then all you have to do, go back to 7r6.com, paste the link into this box. And now, as you can see here, I just put in the link of that YouTube video into this box. Now you're going to click on this little button. This website will right away help you shorten this long YouTube link into a brand new unique link. Now, whenever people will click on this unique link, you're going to get paid, and that's exactly how all of these people are making big money on this website that is called 7r6. Once you've earned your money, you're going to be able to cash out your earnings into your PayPal account or whatever payment method that you want. There are a ton of payment options if I failed to mention that. So for the first step, I want you to do is to go back to the home page, and I want you to click on the sign up button on the top right corner of the website. And from there, you're going to be taken to this page where you're going to be able to register for a completely brand new account. Okay, and once again, this is 100% free. It is available worldwide, and I want you to submit your username, your email, your address, your password. You're going to agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Then you're going to register, and after you sign up for a brand new account and when you log in, this is what your dashboard will look like on this page. So I want you to click on this button on the top left corner, which is new shortened link, on that, and here we're going to copy and paste our YouTube URL link so we can shorten it and earn free PayPal money. So right now, all I want you to do is go back to our YouTube video, click on the share button, copy the URL link, go back to your dashboard, paste that link into the box, and under alias, I want you to type in Minecraft, which is the name of the video, and I want you to click on the shorten button, and that's your Minecraft shorten link. So step number 3, you're gonna go back to YouTube, do the same thing over and over again, up to 3 videos or even more. YouTube video URL links, your copy, and then shorten. The more free people money you're going to make, this is the next bonus tip that I'm going to share with you that I want you to focus on in this particular category. Now, only because this is going to help you make a lot of money. Now, using it, I want you to focus particularly on live streaming videos only. Now, we're going to continue, and I want you to click on this video that's going to take you to another live streaming video. From there, we're going to repeat the same strategy. Click on the share button, copy the link, go back to your URL shortening page, and then paste the second URL link into the box, and then we're just going to put Minecraft 2 in the alias box and click on shorten, and that's the second link that we've successfully shortened. Remember what I told you, repeat the same strategy to make a lot of money online. You have to find different trending YouTube videos. You're going to copy the link, shorten it with the help of 7r6. And now the fourth step, I want you to come onto the website steamcommunity.com, but before that, okay, remember that it's 7r6, so don't ever forget that. Now, like I said, we're going to open up Steam Community, okay? And then this is a gaming website or a gaming platform where a lot of people discuss about different strategies to play different games right now. On the Minecraft game, there are so many different discussions going on. As you can see here, there are a lot of people talking about this game, and this game is trending right now, and they're getting a lot, millions and millions of views every single day. So this is going to be the best opportunity to really catch the trend with the help of 7r6 and make a lot of free PayPal money from all these YouTube videos. So basically, what you can do is that you can sign up for a free account on Steam Community and put up a post about Minecraft or about any other trending games and share your shortened link from 7r6 into the Steam community and through that post, and from there you're going to get a lot of clicks, a lot of traffic from a lot of people. They're going to view your link, click on it, watch the YouTube video, and for every single click you're going to make a lot of free money from these people. And from just one video you could be making hundreds and thousands of dollars. For those of you guys are curious if this really is going to work, obviously you just really need to experiment and really discover and explore. So obviously it's going to be an amazing opportunity for you guys to really try this out. So if you guys think this is going to be the best for you, make sure you try it out and do the strategy over and over again. And that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.